So I'll move to my forthcoming collection coming out in January, and this is A God in the Human Body, and I'll read a poem in this, and this is titled Thankful. The world was losing steam like a car engine overheating on the motorway. The sound bites from the news were jarring. Apocalypse came and looked the other way. We burst into a bubble of sparkling joy. This revival, we have no losers. We are thankful for the blue sky, still blue, the sunshine breaking into a bubble of delight, the moon rays, our basket of hope. The evil winds did not break us. We are the unbroken generation who survived the raging pandemic. This nostril blowing light winds is coming like the sea. Pause and reflect. Pause and cry. Cry and pause. Cry a bucket. Cry tears of joy. Cuddle your tears. Hope is here at last. Hope was never lost. Can't you see the connecting dots that kept our light aflame? I can see the flame in your eyes, the sheer joy erupting like a volcano, the beam of thanks pouring down like rain from the heavens. This poem would wrap itself in gratitude, breaking forth like spring fountains. Immerse yourself in gratitude with a roaring scream of thanks. A new beginning is here. New beginnings like no other. Betting possibilities fresh as the morning dew. This cup of thanks needs no sweetness. These words on the page will resonate for a lifetime. How we chose the chorus of gratitude rather than sink under the throes of defeat.